Good morning. We are late. I'm going to work. Mara, ke MCela a Women's Day event. So, kuningi wow. This is so bright and I don't know how to change any settings on my camera. But anyway, I did the makeup. I can't even say I literally have 5 minutes. I have no minutes to do any of this. But I'm gonna try anyway. I'm going to die trying because I never really MC if it like say to do biang so I'm so slow. I'm so slow. Wang chimalam chum chakabam bam chim chakalam chakabam bam. Where is my favorite palette in the world, guys? Where is my Hermosa floor? No. I have been running around not knowing what to wear. So then I decided, you know what, let me just move on to makeup because and then guys, the way I love this palette, it is literally my favorite thing in the world. I won't lie. This Hermosa floor palette, the contour, I usually use this one, but it's running out, so now I started using this one. And then the blushes and the highlighters. This palette is just made for brown girlies, let me just put it that way, okay? Except for this shade of blush, I usually use it as a foundation, as an eyeshadow. It works well for an eyeshadow, not necessarily for my skin tone as a blush, you know. I'm gonna take this dress with me. You can't even see the dress in case I change my mind. I will also take if I try any more suit. You can go there the suit. If I try Mark. No, if I try it won't be so hard. But I think we're done. Let's go.
Good day in my mind, seem to take a step out. Yes, I'm in now, flip so edge out. So some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now, got me bummed out. You so, baby. I've been on my empty mindset. I should've keep from losing the best of me. I worry that I wasted the best of me. Oh, yeah, baby, you don't care. Sometimes I be a nuisance. It's just
Zoom out, honey. Zoom out. Let's go. We are so late. I'm wrong for this.
Think he was holding me. Choose the right, but it will pick up in front of me. All the while, I wave my almost feel and smile. Still wanna try.
Not me forgetting to put setting spray on my face. Ke magala ke reila mole. Ke kopana le letsatsi. Kutlwa man sefatlho sa ka sa melta. Sefatlho sa melta ngwana ko hae. And that's because I forgot to put on setting spray. Do you know what I have? I have this extra stronghold. Happy to go parking lot go mmereko ngwena. So ke tla no zama yona. I've never used it. Kinkila ka berekisa got to be glue for setting spray, but not this. So she feels set. She feels very set. So let's see if it can last the day. Mar when I bro Sababa hastara kamulhano. Oh, guys, let's go to work, okay? Hey, mama.
Gotta hold my own, my cross to bear alone. Ooh, play the deal.
This is the best you're gonna do. Cracking book and in
You like that shit.
you need to be proud of them. Yes, and I am here for the shoes. I am here.
It's just urgent. Gonna make some little change. Got me a war in my mind. Let it go away. Think was holding me to the right, but it will pick up in front of me. All the while, I wave my arm and feel it is now. Still wanna try, still believe in good days. Sunny inside, good days in my mind.
Thank you so much for honoring this invite today. But before we start anything, I would like to ask to start in prayer, because prayer is the beginning and the end of everything. In everything that we do, we invite God to work with us.
About 2 hours in the morning to go to school, and then to come back is 2 hours. So most of the children in my village, and they drop out because of distance, and it's understandable. First semester, I failed 5 modules. I was doing 6. I failed the 5 modules. Next year, NSFAS didn't fund me because I failed the first year. And then I had to drop out. Started looking for a job. And then 2010, I decided to go back to school. But since I was working, I optioned for UNISA and doing my modules like 2 per year. What I would do, when I'm off, I will go to school. It was Monday to Friday. So when I'm doing day shift, maybe when I do day shift Monday and Tuesday, I'll go to work. And then when I'm doing night shift, I'll go to school. From school, I'll come back to work straight. I won't go home. And remember, by that time, I was having 1 child, and I'm married. I get married at a very young age. I was 21 when I get married. So I started working at the age of 21, and I got married at the age of 21. So I have 19 years service with Unilever, and I have 19 years in marriage. But my diploma, I did it in 13 years, and remember, it's a 3 years course. From 2003 until 2015, I was doing diploma all that time, but I couldn't quit my job because I need this job. Yes. So what I'm encouraging you today is that you can do it. If somebody can do it, you can do it too. If you own your career, nobody can come to you and drag you and say that go to this road, because if you do wrong on that road, you will blame the person who dragged you to that road. But if you say I want to do this, it means you will take all the responsibilities that come with that road. So happy Women's Day.
Look at her. Look at her mama, man. Look at her. That ain't my girl. That's my nigga. Catch me out on Ocean Drive with her. Hey, catch me in the whip, ride with her. Hey, sipping something, bumping big, hypnotized with her. Pray you get that job in Tampa. That's only 4 hours away. Take a car, take a plane, baby, whichever is faster. Oh, whichever one is in the household. Oh, damn, yeah, man. Oh, never knew, no, I never knew that you be a freak and a friend too. Yeah, you into everything I'm into. Oh, I got something that I could lend you. Oh, a peace of mind, baby. Come and get a peace of mind. Yeah. say you gotta work from 3 to 9.
Good morning. I hope Lishapo. We just got out of China Square because the roses so white for my place. I need to go see my mom because I was supposed to see her last week. Get a cake for my niece's birthday, but then I couldn't go because I wasn't feeling too good. So go but before that, since I got week, got Dragon City. Guys, China City is a plug, okay? China Square, why am I saying China City? China Square is a plug. It's just opposite China Mall, like on the other side of China Mall. And it's got so much. I literally just showed you like probably like 15% because so I'm gonna come back one day and just give you a full store tour. A store tour of the place, okay? Because upstairs furniture divine, the mirrors, child, the mirrors, okay? So there is a lot to show, but today I'm late, so let's go get the wig. I'm definitely not vlogging go Dragon City because I just don't have the time. I will show you the wig that I got, but anyway,
oh, I get you home by a decent time. Wait, your bed, you can sleep in mine. Yeah, let's make it happen, girl, I need some time. Speaking of time, who stopped it? That's the feeling that I get when we lock lips. I got the weed at the crib and the liquor too. I f your soul, I release in your spiritual. I be your muse, bring your easel and pencils too. Here you go, you try to tease with them pictures you could. She said I'm tryna keep it tight for my nigga. Girl, I like your last nigga. All I need is mental. You know I'll work you out, get you right with your physical. Always just another interlude. Asking all them questions, girl, you know I don't do interviews. It's pitiful that when I'm with them other bitches, I pretend it's you. Oh, you work at Kohl's, you in dental school. Wife and now you folding clothes, cooking dinner too. Young Tiller, girl, I'm known as Pink Griffey too. It's only right that I swing by and hit it too. First base, second base, third base. I'm trying to get you in your birthday. Oh, I know these other niggas.
What is how weird procedure, eh? I get that. Get that. Oh, get out of orange. Okay, come on.
Girl, I know you feel me, you catch it. So much to live for, baby. Let's not rush into it now. Let's not rush into it. When we get to it, we can get
Good morning, wanna go hi. I hope Ushapo. Oh my gosh, yesterday was such a good day for me. It was so wholesome to just be with the family and just eat whatever I wanted. So today it is Saturday and I just came back from my swimming class and ooh, Penny Haynes in the making. I actually enjoyed my swimming class today. I so wish I would have recorded that. So yeah, so today I was floating. Okay, I was floating, but I'm still on the pool noodle. It's a pool noodle. I went on my back, on my back, and I had a different instructor because the one that I had last week left. I was a bit worried about that, but Shem, the girl knows what she's doing, and she challenges you. Oh. Get a coffee machine because the Nespresso former was having me and I don't have the 4,000 for the Nespresso. I was like, you know what? I'm gonna try a coffee machine that I saw on what is this on Take-A-Lot, and this coffee machine get 300. So this is the machine. Let me just show you. It's so tiny. It literally, like, let me put my hand, and I've got like small hands. It's the size of my hand. But I knew that because the reviews, but when you look at the picture, it looks much bigger than it is. But we're gonna try that because I'm a coffee lover, and why not? So I'm gonna unbox it. Or maybe what I can do is, let me take a reel, like an Instagram reel unboxing. Wow, I'm just unboxing it because I'm gonna make it in such a sense. Ooh, but I wanna on Instagram, but let's see how it looks. It was literally like, I think 2 something for Take-A-Lot, so it wasn't very expensive, right? And I expect it to be very small, so let's see. Oh, I just did the visuals. Okay, let's get into the angle. Woo! Recording one go high. The angle did change to high 49. I want to branga record. This is part of normal life. Mara pizza o bona go na le pizza ka mo morago, go na le letswai ka mo morago. O tsena go ira ka raona dilo tse ka mo ntlong ya hao, and your house gets this dirty. I get why you get confused, man. But can tell letswai le ke le ka. And then ke check the whole visual e bang. Yeah, visual is sharp. So
hands in the soap, how the faucet's running and I keep looking at you. Stuck on your phone, it's stuck in your zone. You don't ever. I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Lately, I've been a little fed up. Wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Lazy and broke, know we get this money, so I guess I can't complain. But I feel alone even when we're alone. And don't go back, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Baby, I've been a little better. Wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me?
welcome back to the vlog. Today we are finally hanging up the wall at I'm so happy. I'm finally hanging it up right here behind this wall. So my problem is that this is not on the center, right? I don't know how I made this mistake, but when I was putting the mirror here, I center a pillar. So I need to center that so that my wall art can look the way it's meant to look. Let me show you the wall art. Let me show you finally after it's dried how it looks. Here are my babies. Here are my babies. This is how it looks. Love the texture, Kesana. Love the texture. I think this one is my favorite. This one was the second one that I did after a bit of trial and error. Ooh, the camera is quite dark. And this one was the first one. So I think I love the pattern on the second one. This one versus this one. But silapha ngoku. Bathumluna. Ke happy. So I'm first gonna have to move that to find the center properly. And then I also am changing up my flowers. So these are the ones that get regular for China, for the shop. Previously, I had these ones, which I also bought for the China. Previously, I had these ones, which I also bought for the China shop, China Square. But now, because of I really wanted this to match with my wall art to add a little bit of white. I got these white flowers just to help the white, or else the white make a city sharp. Yeah, right. So I wanna install these lights from Shein as well. In your body by the wall art itself, right? So it was like less than 300, 280 if I'm not mistaken. So this is the light, and then you basically install it, and then it sits like this, and then it's gonna shine on. You've seen those pictures, right? So this is the lights that I also want to install. It's like a remote, and then let me see. Actually, I've never opened for yo mudimu ke tlhoka di batteries tse 3. I need 3 batteries, so 6 in total.
Tired of being patient. What the fuck you waiting for? Yeah, it's a lot of niggas hate, and I don't entertain them. But damn, you gotta give me more. If you don't want it like me, I can think about 100 things I could be doing right now. No wasting my time with you. Okay, since you gotta have it good, I'ma start that clock on you. We gon' see what's up when a nigga pull up on me. Shut a nigga back. Don't you know all of these niggas wish these niggas back? I'm just saying, boy, you playing, you gon' let it wind up. You got 24 seconds and it's starting right now.
The happiest girl. I'm the happiest girl. I'm literally just doing finishing touches. Look at the finishing. Let's cross I know. I'm doing finishing touches, which is now putting the roses into this vase. So I got this vase a long time ago. You can see how cute it is. Ke rekile ko barking shop e. Focus, Clay. So I got this vase from Pep Home a long time ago. Guys, my camera's focus today is playing games, but I'm so happy. I'm so happy at how gorgeous my home is. I'm getting low-key emotional because, like, girl, is this my house? Is this my house? Is this my house? Is this my freaking house? Like pila, you know, bablela nnete sometimes ba re bopila wa iketsetsa. Like bopila wa iketsetsa, honestly, and I feel like I'm just in this era of creating my dream life on my working girl budget. What's working, and I am really just enjoying the process. Instead of I can go to Kodi at home, or I can buy flowers every other day and change them. I can actually the air, but rose yeah, 20. I think I bought it like 28 rand or 30 rand per rose, and I only bought like 3, 4. I can afford that. I can afford that. And I will be happy with it because it's going to look so gorgeous. And my home is going to look so divine. But now I'm confused on whether I do the white ones in this or I keep my old red ones because the red is just so powerful. Look at that. Ah, look at how powerful this girlie is. Isn't she gorgeous? The red is just so striking, right? So I'm low-key, I'm legit confused. Or maybe if I just do a blend of both, but I think both is a little bit too much. Like 32 is a little bit too much. Let me see, and then you guys can comment on it, which ones look better. I'm gonna try both. And then, yeah, then I'm gonna end the vlog. I think I'm gonna end the vlog because I need to cut my husband's hair after this. It's like 4:30 or so. I want to cut his hair and I just want us ritual after this. And just be in our cozy home because it's cozy. I get